If your child has been in GCSE maths tuition for months and their grade still hasn't moved, most parents immediately assume the teacher is not good enough or their child isn't trying hard enough. But in almost every case I've seen, neither of those things is actually the problem. From 2025, GCSE maths exams will no longer give students a formula sheet. Every formula, quadratic, trigonometry, area, all of it has to come from memory now. The exam has also put a lot more weight on real-world problem solving, where students need to reason through questions they have never seen before. But a lot of tutors are still teaching the way they always have, explaining topics, working through homework, and helping your child understand. And your child walks out of each session feeling like progress is happening. The problem is, understanding a topic at home with no timer and someone guiding you is completely different from recalling a formula under exam pressure and applying it to an unfamiliar question in the actual exam. Those are two separate skills, and most tuition only builds one of them. I know this because I was that student, predicted D's and E's, not because I wasn't trying, but because nobody was teaching me how the exam actually worked. The moment someone gave me the right structure, what to memorize, how to think through questions, how marks are actually awarded, everything changed. I went from expected to fail to hit top grades. That experience is exactly why I pay close attention to what has changed in these exams. That's because the students who get caught out the most are not the ones who do not want to work hard. They are the ones being prepared for an exam that no longer exists. If your child's tutor is not specifically addressing what this year's papers are testing and how to approach the kinds of questions now appearing, your child is revising hard for the wrong thing. And that gap does not show up until exam day. If you are not completely sure what your child is doing right now matches what May's papers are going to demand, message me with the word maths and I'll reserve your spot for a free strategy session where we will look at exactly where they are and whether their preparation lines up with what the exam is actually testing.